Back in the racing days, a lot of guys would button the skirts of their pistons. They started out using nylotron, that's what this is. They moved on to another product, worked out a little better. It's readily available. It's the brown, hard product that called Delrin. You would put your piston in the mill in a vise. You would drill a pilot hole through the piston, and then you would counterbore about 50 thousandths deep. So you'd have about a 5/8 counterbore and about a 3/8 drill through hole. The buttons you make are a press fit. You tap these in with a small hammer. After they're in, they will be protruding out, depending on who makes the buttons, as much as 50 thousandths. You've got to chuck these up in a 4-jaw and tram in this area to this, and then on the smaller diameter, this area to this. You must get this running as straight as possible. Use a 4-jaw. Turn the buttons down till you get within about 3 or 4 thousandths from final size. Now remember, your cylinder's already been honed out. It's on final. Take the piston out of the lathe, and the rest of the work is done by hand, where you just take a piece of emery paper and rather laboriously work on it a little at a time. Check the fit in the cylinder. When you get it to where it takes a little bit of pressure to push the piston through, you're done. These buttons will be sticking out maybe 3 or 4 thousandths on a side. And what you accomplish is the only thing touching the cylinder are the buttons. So you've reduced friction tremendously. When you finally tear the buttons up, knock them out and put some more in it and keep on going. You never have to buy pistons. You just keep honing your cylinder out. It reduces friction dramatically. You can pick up a lot of horsepower. It's a real neat trick.